Moirangthem Divyarani Maria Montessori, class 12.
Good afternoon, dear speaker sirs, and good afternoon, everyone present here. Today, I strongly present here to support today's motion that its existing political economy makes gender inequality in Manipur in every social and political aspect of life. Dear speaker sir, we live in society where we blame victims instead of standing up for them. We live in society where political leaders care less about the real issue but more about the vote bank. We live in society, we blame one another instead of finding a solution. We live in society where it shows that we stand up for one another, we stand up for transgender community, we stand up for the women's right. But in real reality, in the deep ground reality, we never do. We live in society where we care less about the real issue. But instead of that, we're talking about the caste reservation right now. So my opposition leader talks about that now it revolves around the caste issue. First of all, India ranked 129 according to the global gender gap budget. It was ranked previously 127 and it dropped to 129, and it shows that how the gender gap is increasing day by day. Let me take one example. The opposition uses sentence a lot. We have Beyonce Lystrom, the first transgender doctor in Northeast. We have Gauri Sawan. She is a fighter of the transgender community. She is the one who saved the girl from the prostitution. She is the hope for the transgender community. We have Muktamani Devi, an entrepreneur who won the Padma Shri Award. They are the various examples who stand up for every community. But it's not just about the example my opposition bans. It's about the real issue that we're talking about. For example, in Manipur, the working population, as compared according to 2011 census, women working population in the Manipur is high, but where they work, the question is which kind of work they work. Manipur women comprises most in unorganized sector, approximately 25%. Approximately 80% in unorganized sector. But the recent news report says about increasing number of the prostitution in Manipur. Around approximately of the 900 sex worker. And after the post complex, it's around 1,000 approximately sex worker present here. The question is, prostitution is legal in India, but the question is not just about they want to do it, it's because they don't have the choices because of the crisis, because of the worsening condition of the economic crisis happening in the Manipur right now. And about the healthcare issue, the prostitution being rise up in Manipur, Manipur is third highest in HIV cases according to Northeastern Indira Gandhi National Institute of Science. And let's talk about the condition of the healthcare situation in Manipur. There's a lot of disparity happen in hill state, in the region state, rural and urban. When there's a disparity happen when it's come to healthcare, when it's come to education, when it's come to access to livelihood, people suffer because of that divides among us. So it revolves around the gender inequality, neither the class discrimination. And their speaker, sir, as I mentioned before, the island, from the international context, island number 1 in the global gender gap budget, it reduced 90% of the gender gap budget. They are the only country who include all the inclusive rights for the LGBTQ community, 40 to 50% reservation. It shows that how the economic, political aspect affect the overall condition of gender equality. Dear speaker, sir, today a society that we all together want to build up, but instead of that, we blame one another instead of finding a solution. We blame that, oh, we are not living in a patriarchal society, like women are making a fuss about that. So this is the reason. Blaming one another, finding a core solution that we need to take action. We need to voice out instead of just saying in the news, in the everything that policy works. The thing is the people never make an initiative of that. So their speaker, sir, today's motion is completely valid and I request their speaker, sir, to pass today's motion. Thank you.
Moirangthem Divyarani Maria Montessori, class 3. Kachari Divyarani, Osam